Hello, welcome to Astronaut for Exploit. This is Dr. Ayoshola Okundele. Cislunar Space Imaging Companies, enablers of Cislunar space exploration and Trans-Martian Voyage. The focus points are as follows: Cislunar Space Development and Cislunar Space Imaging Companies. Cislunar Space Imaging Companies, the drivers and enablers of Cislunar space exploration and Trans-Martian Voyage are paving the way for the future human exploration of the deep space domains such as the Moon, near-Earth asteroids, Mars, and beyond. They are developing technologies that will help the risk involved in sending astronauts to the deep space to be eliminated or reduced. The cislunar destinations and domains, the deep space areas with the Earth-Moon system gravitational sphere of influence, contain various strategic assets that serve purposes such as Earth observation, communications, surveillance, and a host of others. Several cislunar space missions and concepts are targeted towards cislunar space exploration by the emerging cislunar companies. The cislunar space emerging companies are the change agents of shift in space exploration paradigm and evolution of cislunar space for unlocking new world of coding opportunities. They are helping to fast-track cislunar space exploration and are mapping out plans and strategies that will lead to the actualization of the exploration in less than no time. Examples of cislunar space imaging technologies and companies are Northrop Grumman, Helios, Gator, Nokia of America, Icon, SpaceX, Aerospace, Cislunar Industries, Sierra Space, Firefly Aerospace, Redwire Corporation, Christian Space Services LLC, Blue Origin, Honor Robotics, and Cybertech Incorporation. Cislunar Space Development. In a bid to fast-track cislunar space exploration, several cislunar space imaging companies and aerospace corporations are mapping out plans and strategy that will lead to the actualization of the exploration. Presently, various studies on commercialization of cislunar space exploration, development, and collaborations are being undertaken. Illustration of lunar gateway is shown in this picture. Various cislunar space imaging companies are Northrop Grumman, Helios, Gitai, Nokia of America, Icon, SpaceX, Cislunar Industries, Sierra Space, Redwire Corporation, Firefly Aerospace, Christian Space Services LLC, Cybertech Incorporation, Blue Origin, and Honeybee Robotics. Each of these companies is highlighted as follows. Northrop Grumman. Orbital ATK Northrop Grumman Innovation Systems was selected by NASA to study an initial version of a cislunar habitat that could evolve over time to a much larger research platform with many of the capabilities required for a human mission to Mars. Recently, DARPA selected Northrop Grumman for lunar architecture study. This will help evolution of cislunar space exploration. The departure of Northrop Grumman spacecraft from the International Space Station is shown in this picture. Helios is one of the cislunar space imaging companies. It is developing technologies to extract oxygen from the lunar regolith to provide essential rocket fuel oxidizer and to reduce the cost of future space activities. The extracted oxygen could be used on the lunar surface in cislunar space or for Trans-Martian injections. The production of lunar oxygen will save costs and enable a more sustainable future for humanity beyond the Earth. Oxygen depot concept on the Moon is shown in this picture. Asteroids is another cislunar space imaging company. Asteroids specializes in cryogenic fluid production, storage, transfer, and applications for the Earth, orbit, and the Moon. The company is leveraging on the expertise of the staff and innovative technologies that are being developed for a greener Earth and more sustainable space for all. Space, which is collaborating with Helios, will play the important role of liquefying and storing the oxygen produced by the Helios reactor in cryogenic tanks in cislunar space. Illustration of cryogenic fluid production on the Moon is shown in this picture. GTI is developing robotic labor innovation system for cislunar space and the Moon uses. The company's cutting-edge lunar robotic rover is designed to excel in various tasks, from exploration and mining to inspection, maintenance, and assembly. GTI has developed an inchworm-type robotic arm equipped with grapple-end effectors on both ends of the arm. The unique feature increases capability, enabling it to connect to various tools and effectors so as to perform multiple tasks for various applications and mobility, enabling it to move in any direction. The picture here shows GTI robotic labor innovation system for cislunar space and the Moon. Nokia of America is another cislunar space emerging company. Nokia is developing groundbreaking technologies by deploying 4G communication system on the lunar surface, helping to pave way for a sustainable human presence on the Moon. The contract awarded to Nokia is part of NASA's Tipping Point program that fosters the development of commercial space capabilities in deep space, such as cislunar space, and benefit future missions. Illustration of Nokia Moon mission concept is shown in this picture. Icon is a leader in advanced construction technologies and large-scale 3D printing. Through its project Olympus, is searching and developing space-based construction systems to support planned exploration of the solar lunar space, Moon, and beyond. Icon's Olympus system is intended to be a multi-purpose construction system, primarily using local lunar and marine resources as building materials to further the efforts of NASA as well as commercial organizations so as to establish a sustained lunar presence. Icon's vision for Olympus, the multi-purpose in-situ resource utilization-based lunar construction system, is shown in this picture. SpaceX presently is developing what can be used to transport humans and cargoes to the cislunar space, lunar surface and beyond. NASA selected SpaceX's next-generation Starship vehicle as the first crew lunar lander for the Artemis program of moon exploration. Starship is expected to put astronauts down near the lunar South Pole in about 2025 on the Artemis 3 mission. The picture here illustrates Starship stacked for flight at SpaceX launch facility in Texas. Cislunar Industries is another emerging cislunar space company. Cislunar Industries is developing, manufacturing, and operating modular space foundries so as to process metal in space for use in space. It intends to transform feedstock into metal propellant and products for in-space manufacturing. Cislunar Industries, with partners such as Astroscape, is developing a cislunar propulsion system based on the ability to recycle methane in space so as to enable enhanced satellite mobility. Cislunar Industries' envisioned propulsion ecosystem is shown in this picture. Sierra Space is building a platform in space so as to benefit life on Earth. A secured contract for lunar oxygen extraction framework for lunar 10 capability study. Metal and industrial equipment provider Cislunar Space signed an MOU with Sierra Space, and the goal is to support and enable Sierra Space Dream Chaser spaceplane, which is known as orbital reef. The picture here illustrates Sierra Space lunar oxygen extraction concept. Firefly Aerospace is an end-to-end space transportation company and a cislunar space emerging company. It has small to medium lift launch vehicles, lunar landers, and orbital vehicles. It is developing spacecraft that can dock together on orbit so as to provide on demand for refueling, delivery, transport, and deorbiting services. It was selected to develop an analytical framework for aggregated and orbit spacecraft orbs in support of NASA's 10-year lunar architecture capability study. 5. Fly aerospace concept of a framework for spacecraft that can dock together on orbit so as to provide on-demand refueling, delivery, transport, and deorbiting services is shown in this picture. Redwire Corporation focuses on enabling space mission providers, such as government agencies and large prime contractors, with a broad portfolio of systems, subsystems, and components, providing the infrastructure and technology needed for people to permanently live and work in space. Redwire was selected by TAPA to participate in the study to design services for a collaborative environment so as to support a growing commercial ecosystem on and around the moon. Redwire Space Infrastructure Development Concept is shown in this picture. Crescent Space Services is another Cislunar space emerging company. Crescent Space, a new commercial company launched by Lockheed Martin, is a deep space infrastructure company that provides critical services for lunar missions and beyond. Crescent aims to leverage reliable technical heritage from the Lockheed Martin and combine that with the speed and agility of a commercial services platform. Configuration of Crescent Space lunar communication concept is shown in this picture. FiberTech delivers discriminating linear and leader systems with uncompromising reliability and performance for space and defense customers. It is developing an in-space processing and refining capability for structural materials such as metals. FiberTech is one of the companies selected for lunar economy building and lunar infrastructure development. FiberTech's laser communication technology is demonstrated in this picture. Blue Origin, one of the companies selected for lunar architecture study, unveiled Blue Ring, a spacecraft platform which focused on providing in-space logistics and delivery. It will serve commercial and government customers and can support a variety of missions in medium Earth orbit. Blue Origin's Blue Ring Orbital Transfer Vehicle concept is shown in this picture. Honeybee Robotics is making next-generation applications a reality through creative collaborative engineering, which combines the best minds with the best technology. Since 1983, the company has completed thousands of projects, including flight heritage across a range of important commercial and exploration missions. Honeybee Robotics was selected for 10-year lunar architecture capability study. The picture here shows Honeybee Robotics Exploration System, which is being used to develop space drilling technologies. For more information, contact Astronautics for Exploit. You've been watching and listening to Cislunar Space Emerging Companies, enablers of Cislunar Space Exploration and Trans-Martian Voyage, presented by Dr. Anyashola Ogundele, with the focus points Cislunar Space Development and Cislunar Space Emerging Companies. Thank you.